For healthier joints, older adults should include these 3 vitamins in their nightly routine. You've been misled. Many are told that aging alone causes stiff, achy joints. But that's not the full truth. The real cause often lies in a hidden deficiency of 3 key vitamins your body needs to repair joints, reduce inflammation, and relieve pain while you sleep. What no one is revealing is this: these nutrients are natural, affordable, and not very profitable. That's why you won't see them promoted on TV or social media, and most doctors don't talk about them. Yet, scientific evidence is clear. Lacking just one of these vitamins can triple your risk of joint stiffness, increase inflammation, and worsen mobility. In today's video, we'll reveal the top vitamin for soothing joint pain, proven to reduce discomfort by 30%. Even though it works, very few seniors take it. Why? Because there's no financial incentive to solve the real root cause. Without these nutrients, your joints deteriorate, inflammation rises, and your mobility slowly declines. Recent studies show that seniors who take these specific vitamins before bedtime experience less pain, improved flexibility, and faster recovery in just a few days. We'll list the top 3 vitamins every adult over 60 should take before bed to restore joint health naturally. All information is backed by scientific studies with reference links included below. But before we begin, leave a comment telling us where you're watching from, your age, and the supplements you currently take. We reply to every comment with personalized advice. This is your chance to get real information tailored to your joint health. First vitamin, vitamin D3. Many people assume vitamin D3 only helps bones. But for joints, it's equally important. Around age 60, D3 becomes one of your body's most powerful allies for reducing inflammation and repairing cartilage. Without enough D3, your joints feel stiff, sore, and swollen. Studies show that low D3 increases the risk of osteoarthritis and slows joint repair. Here's the problem: after 60, your skin produces up to 75% less D3 from the same sun exposure, and dietary intake is rarely enough. Supplementation before bedtime aligns perfectly with your body's natural repair cycle, when inflammation decreases and tissue regenerates. Clinical research shows that seniors taking D3 at night experienced a 25 to 30% reduction in joint stiffness and improved mobility within just 6 weeks. Pairing it with a small amount of healthy fat, like avocado or almond milk, improves absorption. Second vitamin, vitamin C. Vitamin C isn't just for your immune system. It's a key player in collagen production, the protein that keeps cartilage, tendons, and ligaments strong. As you age, collagen production drops, leaving joints weak and prone to pain. Supplementing with vitamin C before sleep provides your body with the building blocks to repair damaged cartilage overnight. A 2019 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that older adults taking vitamin C supplements daily had less joint swelling and pain compared to those who didn't. Vitamin C also acts as a powerful antioxidant, reducing oxidative stress that can damage joint tissue. Many seniors don't take enough vitamin C naturally, and timing matters. Nighttime supplementation ensures your body can regenerate collagen while you rest, giving your joints a fighting chance at recovery. Third vitamin, vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is the hidden hero for joint health. Most seniors have never heard of it, but it's essential for directing calcium away from soft tissues and into bones. Without enough K2, calcium can deposit in joints, leading to stiffness and pain. K2 also activates proteins that support cartilage repair and joint flexibility. A 2021 study published in Nutrients found that seniors supplementing with K2 for 8 weeks had significant improvements in knee mobility and reduced discomfort during daily activities. The best form is 7 Malawian kwaches, which stays active longer and is best taken at night for maximum overnight repair. When paired with D3, it ensures calcium supports joints and bones instead of causing stiffness or inflammation. Why nighttime matters. Your body heals while you sleep. Growth hormone peaks, inflammation decreases, and joint tissue regenerates. Taking these vitamins before bedtime ensures that your body has all the nutrients it needs during the prime repair window. Skipping this timing can delay recovery and prolong pain. It's not just a supplement, it's giving your joints a nightly repair toolkit. If your knees, hips, or hands ache, if climbing stairs feels harder than it used to, or if stiffness lingers after resting, your body is crying out for these nutrients. Start with vitamin D3, vitamin C, and vitamin K2 before bed. Within days, you may notice less pain, better mobility, and stronger joints. Over weeks, these improvements can transform your day-to-day life. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more real health solutions for seniors. Your joints carry you through life. Let's make sure they stay pain-free and strong for the years ahead. If you have questions or want to share your experience, leave a comment below. We read every single one.